Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Today, in this video, we will discuss whether SBA loans can be discharged in bankruptcy or not, along with several related questions. You probably know that when a business fails, people often file for bankruptcy to avoid repaying their remaining loans. But what about SBA loans? These are small business loans backed by the government. And many business owners are confused about whether SBA loans can be discharged in bankruptcy or not. In this detailed video, we will break it all down for you. We'll discuss different types of bankruptcies that apply to SBA loans and what happens if you file for one. So, let's dive in and clear up all your doubts. Is an SBA loan covered under Chapter 7 bankruptcy or Chapter 13 bankruptcy? What are the conditions involved? To understand all these details, we have brought you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, there is an article titled File Bankruptcy on SBA Loan Rules and Application Process. This article provides answers to almost every question related to filing bankruptcy on an SBA loan. You will find the link to this article in the description. Click on it to read the article in detail. Now, let's look at this article. The first subheading is, what is bankruptcy filing? Scrolling down further, there is another subheading, can you file bankruptcy on SBA loan? Here, you will find the answer to your question. The article starts by saying, yes, bankruptcy is possible on an SBA loan. Here is what it means and a few things to keep in mind. Then it explains Chapter 7 bankruptcy in detail. It states, under Chapter 7, the court may seize and sell your assets to pay off creditors. Most SBA loans are unsecured, so this debt can be discharged, meaning you are no longer responsible for paying it under a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If loan was secured by a specific property, the creditor can take the property back. Next, the article explains Chapter 13 bankruptcy. It mentions, under this kind of bankruptcy, you develop a plan for repaying some of the debt over 3 to 5 years. You can even include SBA loans in such a repayment plan, and the balance may be written off after you have served the plan. If you used collateral and personal guarantees while taking out the loan, what will happen in such a case? The article explains, SBA loans often require personal guarantees, which means that you would be personally responsible if your business cannot pay back the loan. If your business files for bankruptcy, you could also lose personal property offered as collateral, such as a car or home, unless you file personal bankruptcy as well. What happens if you have taken an SBA economic injury loan? Eidl. The article states, if you've got an SBA economic injury loan, for instance, an Eidl, you may be able to discharge it in bankruptcy if you can't pay. You should present disaster-related documentation. The process will vary. Filing for bankruptcy is an important decision that can alter your financial future for decades. Talking to a bankruptcy attorney can be very helpful. They can explain how it might affect your SBA loan and help you decide the best course of action for your situation. So, in this way, bankruptcy can also be filed for an SBA loan. However, which type of bankruptcy should be filed depends on the conditions explained in the article. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.